Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diablo 1. We'll start by choosing your hero from 3 distinct classes: the Mighty Warrior, the Agile Rogue, or the Powerful Sorcerer. Each class offers a unique playstyle and set of skills. You'll learn to navigate the dark dungeons, manage your health and mana, and interact with the world using simple mouse clicks. Combat is straightforward. Click on foes to attack, and use hotkeys for your spells and abilities. Get ready to descend into the depths. As you defeat the hordes of evil, your character will gain valuable experience points. Reaching new levels allows you to allocate points into 4 core attributes: strength, dexterity, vitality, and magic. These choices significantly impact your hero's capabilities. Warriors benefit from strength and vitality, while sorcerers thrive on magic. Rogues excel with dexterity. You'll also find and learn powerful spells and unique skills, expanding your arsenal for the challenges ahead. Strategic development is key to survival. The dungeons are filled with valuable loot, from common weapons to rare magical artifacts. You'll need to carefully manage your inventory, as space is limited. Decide what to keep and what to discard to maximize your efficiency. Periodically, you'll return to the town of Tristram, a safe haven where you can sell your unwanted items to merchants and purchase new, more powerful gear. The town also offers healing, item identification, and crucial quests from its inhabitants. It's your vital hub. Your adventure takes you through 16 progressively challenging dungeon levels beneath the Tristram Cathedral. Each level is procedurally generated, offering a fresh experience every time. You'll encounter a wide variety of monsters, from basic zombies to powerful demons, each with distinct attack patterns and vulnerabilities. Use the environment to your advantage, luring enemies into narrow corridors or around corners. Be prepared for epic boss battles that test your skills and gear, demanding careful planning and execution to overcome.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.